Hi there, today we're unboxing an LED strip light. So this particular strip light has been purchased off Amazon for around £25. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. It looks like it's too much for the actual box, to be honest. So, but still, it's all in there. So let's have a brief look around. Energy rating A++, that's good. Couple of details on there. Environmentally friendly, low heat, exactly what I'm looking for. I don't want too much heat coming off these things. Noise free, soft light beams, freely strobo flash. So okay, ultraviolet proof radiation, energy saving, long lift span. Okay. Okay, couple of details on there. And that's it. Okay, let's have a look what's in the packaging. So okay, 2 packages. This feels like the actual LED lights. Got a power adapter, a transformer here. So it's pretty straightforward, obviously. Build quality seems okay, nothing major. It's got a fuse on there, so UK standard sort of plug, so that's good. Like most of these things, purchased in China. Let's get that plugged in. Okay, that's that. Next thing is, let's see what's in here. Okay, so a little adapter for that. Infrared remote control. Tells you the sort of power details on there as well. So input is 12 volts to 24 and output is 6 amps max. Okay, next thing is we've got a remote control, so that's good. A couple of sticky pads, some spare ones it seems, and operation instructions of controller. So obviously how to use this. Seems straightforward really. Let's have a look at the actual LEDs. So just looking for sort of ambient light for the background, maybe putting in my living room or even in the kitchen. Let's see what these are like. Okay, obviously 2 packets, come with connectors either end. See, anything else? Nope. Okay, and we've got it looks like an adapter that can join 2 of these together. So that's interesting seeing that. Let's see if the other one has the same. I think it does. Maybe it's come off in here. Yeah, it's come off in there. So 2 of these. Okay, putting this together should be straightforward. So obviously your power goes straight into there. And looking on this, does these come out as well? Just wondering. Nope. So looks like if I go in close on there, make sure we can focus in. Okay, there's an arrow on there, and looking on the actual light strips, if I can show, you've got an arrow on there as well. So this is the way round it should go. That's pretty straightforward. Okay, that's one connected, and obviously the other one, similar sort of thing. You've got an arrow on there as well, and there's an arrow on here. Let me show that close up. And then you just plug that straight in. I thought it'd be one long 10-meter strip, so I'm a bit surprised it comes in 2 chunks. My preference would have been one long one. I don't really want to cut in there, but it's fine, not the end of the world. Okay, I'm plugging it in now, and let's power it on. Wow. Let's get the remote out as well. You can see that. So it should be quite straightforward. Looks like dimming. So if I put this slightly more, so you see me doing the buttons and this, it dims down, brightens up. Very straightforward. Let me move away. No, so you have to have, obviously being infrared, this in sort of view. Don't really like that. I would have preferred radio frequency, but it's fine. Just to show different color options in there. Very straightforward to use. And then I guess you've got your flashing ability, so you can have it flashing. Auto. So auto flips between the different colors. And then obviously you've got the different shades here. So it's interesting seeing, obviously, be nice. I think maybe I might get another one that actually has an app for the phone, so you can actually change the colors off that. I think that would be quite cool to see. But there you go. Different sort of settings on there, obviously fade settings. Okay, so quite an easy to use product. Color changing is very simple from this. Another thing to show, if I turn this off for a moment, actually show you the underneath of the actual LED. There's a sticky pad going all the way along, so you can peel that off and actually stick it to any sort of surface. Let's give you a close-up of the actual LEDs. Build quality seems okay, just to note. I've not seen many of these, but you can tell it's a nice sort of silicone finish on there, a nice rubbery finish. So I think reading the instructions to it, you can probably use it indoor and out. So as long as I guess you keep the actual, this part of it safe somewhere, like maybe in a waterproof box or something. But yeah, a nice product. Plug that back in again. Turn it on. And there you go. A great little product. Very bright light, very customizable. And there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing. And don't forget to like and subscribe.